On your rear shocks, you have what are called preload adjusters. And what it is, you'll see this little lug right here, and you see all these little steps that go along with it. That's considered your preload, and it's how much your spring is initially being compressed. Right now, this is at the softest setting, and if you grab this either with a pair of channel locks or the special tool, you should be able to twist it, and you twist it, and it keeps going up onto these lugs, and it tightens up that preload on the rear spring. That's a good thing if you're a heavier rider, or if you have a load on it, you might want to tighten up the preload. If you're a lighter rider, don't have any load on it, you might want to lighten it up. Where you set it up at is really up to you. Just the important thing is make sure if you have a twin shock bike like this is, meaning there's a shock on the left and a shock on the right. If you have a twin shock bike, make sure both settings are at the same side. Now keep in mind, if you do choose to use channel locks or something like this, you might actually mar up the surface of the thing. So you're probably going to put a rag underneath them or something like that in order to keep from marring up the surface. Mechanically, it will still work the same, but you're going to have a pretty chewed up surface and it's just going to look kind of hack there on the side of your motorcycle. And nobody really wants that. So if you don't have the special tool, maybe get some rubber jawed channel locks or put a shop rag underneath them and just squeeze them just tight enough to get that thing to move. Also, when you do this, if you can have your bike up on a center stand, if it has one, or have it over on this kickstand, and basically have the suspension as unloaded as possible, that will make turning that as easy as possible.